Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery cable. Next, you'll need to drain the entire cooling system. This usually involves opening the petcock on the radiator and collecting all the coolant in a pan. This crucial step prevents spills and ensures a cleaner workspace. Always wear appropriate safety gear, like gloves and eye protection, when working with automotive fluids. Now, let's get to accessing the water pump itself. You'll need to remove the serpentine belt from the water pump pulley. A belt tensioner tool often makes this much easier. Carefully detach all hoses connected to the water pump, being mindful of any residual coolant. Sometimes, other components like the alternator or power steering pump might need to be unbolted and moved aside to gain clear access. With everything clear, it's time to replace the pump. Unbolt the old water pump, typically held by 4 to 6 bolts, and carefully remove it. Take your time to thoroughly clean the engine block's mounting surface, ensuring no old gasket material remains. This is critical for a leak-free seal. Then, install your new water pump, using a new gasket and applying a thin bead of RTV sealant if recommended by the manufacturer. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reinstall all components, hoses, and the serpentine belt in reverse order. Once everything is secure, refill the cooling system with the manufacturer-specified coolant, typically around 2 to 3 gallons. Start the engine, let it reach operating temperature, and carefully bleed any trapped air from the system. Thoroughly inspect for any leaks around the new water pump.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.